let you in on a little thing. 1. On Tuesdays I have dogs and horses and zebras and giraffes and roan and car rides and food and makeup and more food to show you what life looks like here in the African Sahara. 2. On Wednesdays and Fridays, yes, both, I have makeup to show you. Lots and lots and lots of makeup. That includes makeup get ready with me's, makeup story times, makeup and opinion videos, light makeup, dark makeup, drag makeup, random makeup, and any other thing I could do to my face while keeping you entertained. I also have makeup videos in random places where I showcase the variety of areas I come in contact with, and I do videos on important relevant topics and talk to you about them while sharing my opinion and clearing up common misconceptions. And if you're seeing this, I have 3 years worth of videos for you guys to catch up on. So what are you waiting for? Click that link and subscribe. Happy advertiser voice to one side. I'm a small YouTuber here from South Africa and I've been doing this for a while. And now that I'm finally proud of the type of videos I'm putting out, I want to put more effort into my growth and I really want a small community to grow with me. So if you're interested in anything I mentioned in this video, you know what to do. See you Tuesday. Bye!